Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notified in each video we post. So today we are going to Gira Doodh Waterfalls. So it's like very pretty and we are going to visit that. Since we are here for 2 days, so we had nothing to do. We are visiting the Doodh waterfall, Gira Doodh waterfall. The waterfall looks like milk, that's why it is named Gira Doodh. Guys, can you see that view over there? So nice. So now हम लोग Jani is going to take a reel. हम लोग इधर से गाड़ी लेकर वहाँ जा रहे हैं, निकल रहे reel. You see that fog over there पीछे. माउंटेन पूरा गायब हो गया. ओवर कार इज सो डर्टी, बट बारिश के वजह से नाउ इट्स नॉट डर्टी.
We are crossing the Ghat area, and here the kids are enjoying the sky roof while traveling through this Ghat area.
Bro, this is fun. Wow! It's drizzling right now, and standing in the sunroof while it's drizzling is super fun. The whole route is so beautiful. Like, legit, bro.
Wow!
I don't know how much I'm able to capture, but it's super beautiful.
There is a river over here which is running just parallel to the highway, and we just got a good location to park the car and enjoy the scenic view of the river. And here you can see the sitting area also. So now we are reaching Gira Waterfalls. We can take the car till a certain spot, and then from there little bit of trekking is there. Not much, but yes, it is there.
So we did park our car here, which is around 100-200 meters away from the waterfall. We could very well take the car inside, but it seems there is a lot of traffic inside. Why take the risk of getting stuck?
So there's this entry fee over here. Small shops over there. There are things made out of bamboo. and there's a lot of small things all over here. Right now we are walking towards the waterfall. At a few extent everyone is allowed, but after that people are not allowed to go any further due to safety reasons. So here we are near the waterfall. So this is the limit till where everyone can come. From there you cannot exceed the limit due to safety reasons. So this is super crowded. There are people all around. Now let's go ahead near the waterfall. We are actually passing through all the stones to reach the final limit. You see the waterfall so near from here. It's completely beautiful.
So Drish, you are looking really like Xerox copy of Sharnam when he was small. There is a photo, you know. Did you all enjoy waterfall? How was the adventure going till there?
Nice, and we even bought this.
So Sharnam, what about you? About the waterfall experience?
It was adventurous. Wish we could have worn better shoes. It was a bit difficult to climb up and down the stones, but overall the experience was awesome.
तभी गाड़ी को बाहर पार्क करके we have came to this खाटियावाड़ी रेस्टोरेंट. पापा को खाटियावाड़ी खाना खाना था और मुझे भी. So हम लोग इधर आए खाटियावाड़ी खाना खाने के लिए. Right now Drish is playing chess with Sajid uncle. He's really good at playing chess. So now Drish is playing table tennis or ping pong basically with uncle, and he's really good at playing ping pong as well. So mom and dad are chilling. Drish is busy playing with uncle. So now Drish is playing basketball. So guys, I've ordered club sandwich, and here my club sandwich comes. So the guy has come for the luggage. We are checking out right now. So here the uncle is for our luggage.
Mumbai, and it's super foggy over here. We cannot see anything in front. So right now the situation is like, you know, we can see those white marking lines. So by seeing those white marking lines, we can move ahead with the car. Otherwise you cannot see anything.
We now we have come to जगह जहाँ चाय मिलती है तो चाय पीने आए हैं.
Stop करो मुझे please.
तभी as you can see मम्मी चला रही है गाड़ी.
हाँ काढू છું. So now Drish, your McDonald's coming. You like McDonald's burgers a lot, right? No?
एंड क्लब महिंद्रा का फ्रेंच फ्राइज, मैकडॉनल्ड्स का बर्गर, हाँ, डोमिनोज का पिज्जा also.
Oh, Domino's ka pizza also.
Right now we are here at McDonald's again. So we are, you know, finding what to eat right now because we are very hungry. We have not had our breakfast today morning. तो अभी बर्गर है इधर. एंड स्टार्ट ईटिंग. फोटोग्राफी करने के बाद में दे लीड. पहले मैं ही खा लेता हूँ. Guys, as you can see कितना फॉग है इधर.
So this is, we are passing through Igatpuri.
यो कैन यू सी रोड इधर से कैसा दिख रहा है. पूरा ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. वाव, वहाँ दिख गया.